video is going to walk you through some of the key capabilities of the IBM Cloud App Management product. You're looking at the IBM Cloud App Management product, and you can see a number of different resource types that appear on the screen. You can filter this list down. You can see now I've got just the Linux system showing. If I click this, I can see the resources. The user interface is designed to help you navigate and find resources that you're looking for. It first sorts by severity, so you can see the highest criticality at the top. And you can quickly search for resources, and you can see it's filtered it down to a single resource, and I can click on that and select it. At the top of the screen, if there were any alerts, you would see those showing up along the timeline, and I can drag this timeline and move across the different intervals in time and see what the metrics are at that point in time. I can quickly and easily show longer term history data. I could show an entire month's worth of data very quickly. As I scroll down this page, you see more metrics, and you can do things like, for example, select a different disk to show the disk I/O data. If I scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see that I've got the related resources that are on this particular server. So you can see in this case it's a Linux OS, and I've got Docker containers running on it. In this case there are 4 Docker containers, and you can see the container name showing up here. And I can click on those links and drill down, but I'll show you that capability later. You can also display additional metrics on the screen. I can simply select the metric I'm looking for. In this case I need to select a dimension and a filter dimension, which disk devices I want to show. If I want to look for something like load averages, I can just simply select the metric and it will display on the screen. Let's go back and look at a different type of resource. Let's look at something like integration brokers. I'm going to select it, and I can see the performance KPIs for that integration broker. But more importantly, I can see the relationships. I can see that there's a queue manager associated with this broker. I can see the integration servers and the message flows. So if I select on a message flow, I can drill down and see the performance metric data associated with it. And just like we saw before, I can look at the relationships and navigate back to where I was. I can select MQ, go into the queue manager where I can see a list of all the queues. You can see a queue that's got a warning on it, and I can navigate down and debug that queue. So it makes it very easy to find the resources you're looking for, understand the relationships, and whether those relationships are affecting the resource you're looking at. That concludes the demonstration of IBM Cloud App Management.